blind turn to the left and then to the right. Tuck in. Here's where you open it up. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. This is a nice little pit stop here. Beautiful scenic views. Gonna do the last little 6-mile cruise with y'all. We're just about 6 miles from the campsite. Nice and chilly. Probably about 55 degrees at this point. Route 30 from East Branch towards Downsville. Right off of Route 17. At this point we're about 130 miles north of New York City. 150, depends how you handle it. I made it 200 this morning, so on the highway it's like 130. I love this area. I love these roads. Been here many, many times. There's a lot of wildlife here, a lot of deer, turkeys. Caught a bunch of turkeys earlier. They were just crossing the street. So, gotta keep your eyes peeled. In a mile and turning left. Hopefully this car does not turn left. Please. Please don't do it. I'll have to pass them at once. And this is the Jewel. This is where I dropped my bike. That was fun. This is like Deer Central over here. This is where they like to hang out. You gotta be very careful. Becomes a little bit rough here, and there's some houses, so you got to be mindful of the neighbors. Go by like this gently. Then you can get on it a little bit more for a second. Children to play. A cow hanging out. Nope, that's a horse, not a cow. Close enough. 4 legs, brown. Shift down a little bit over this little bridge. Bit of a blind turn to the left and then to the right. Tuck in. Here's where you open it up. And then you start to slow down as you get towards horses and other animals. No need to scare them. And then here you are. We made it. As always, thank you for watching. Bye bye.